Hello everybody, I hope everybody's having a great day today. Okay, what we're doing first is what I keep seeing. I scroll through Instagram, I scroll through whatever videos, and I keep seeing this clip of so many people putting powder on, setting spray, then primer, and then the foundation. What have I got to lose? Okay. So I've got my moisturizer, which is the first thing they say to put on. I took out my number 7 Perfect Light pressed powder in medium. Perfect excuse to use this. And let's get diving. Okay, I guess that's enough powder. I hope. That's one way to hit pan on powder. And I'm going to use my Physician's Formula, the Essence of Healthy toner and setting spray, because there's almost nothing left in this little one. And this was not easy for me to get because it's not prevalent in Canada. And it was suggested by Amanda Z. So let's do it that way. Wait and see for it to dry. My primer is the Ordinary. It'll be a perfect time to do my eyebrows while waiting for this to sink in a little bit. Just a little bit of primer. And if you see my nose is a little icky, is because allergies have started full blast. Okay, perfect time for eyebrows. Okay, my foundation is the old formula of the Backstage, Dior Backstage in 1.5N. Right. And I'm going out today. I don't know about this. You're gonna have to tell me what you think. On this side of the multiverse, things are cracking. I better stop doing that because things are cracking. Maybe it works on young skin, but when I went to take off a hair that was under my eye, it looked like I could peel it off, almost like a mask. Back. I've got my face finished, I've got my eyes finished. I finished my lip liner just perfect from Essence, and now I'm about to put on a juice infused lip oil from Ulta in number 367. That's all I could find. Just a hint. Just a hint. Ooh, is that ever shiny? I don't know if you see it in on your side of the multiverse, but on this side, it is very, yeah, it's very shiny. And it's not sticky or gloopy. It's thin. Yeah, it's thin. And I like that you can put down any color lip liner you want and Bob's your uncle. It's that simple. I had this one taken out just in case I was going to finish my Essence before I could finish lining my lips. Okay, let's go back to this viral face thing. No, don't waste your time. I gotta go out with this face. Maybe if you've got 18 to 25-year-old skin, it works, but no, it's crackly. Well, these pores look blurred, but the rest is not. The rest is creviced. And if you guys are interested, the concealer I'm wearing is the Natasha Denona. It's all in my lines. It is all in my lines. I just, no. I'm glad I didn't need to buy a whole one like I had to with the Pat McGrath and others, but yeah, she needs to stick to eyeshadows. That's her forte as far as I'm concerned. I don't think I've ever tried her lip products. No, only Pat McGrath, I believe. I don't think I've tried Natasha Denona lip products, but concealer, no. That's okay. I tried something viral. Don't do it. And in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So, thank you everybody once again for coming to visit with me. Please leave me a comment. Let me know if you've tried this before. Don't go try it now. Leave me a comment, like my video, and subscribe to my channel. Bientôt.